Hello everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on Quick Guide. Today in this video I'm going to absolutely guide you through the process of signing into a Wendy's account. So if you have already created a Wendy's account all by yourself and now you would want to log into the same account you have created and you do not know how to get started, then this video is for you. Today in this video I'm going to absolutely guide you through the process of signing into a Wendy's account. So if you want to do that, then keep watching the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now in order to sign into a Wendy's account, first of all, go to Google and then go ahead and tap on search and then go ahead and type Wendy's and then tap on search. This app is not available in my area, so I'm gonna go to its website and sign in from there. If it is available in your region, then well and good. You can go ahead and follow the same process with your app too. Now go ahead and tap on Wendy's. And then you'll be appeared with a screen on your mobile phone. So go ahead and tap on find in the top. Now go ahead and tap on sign in the top right corner, and then you'll be available with several options. So go ahead and tap on the option which you created your account with. I'm gonna go tap and log in with email because I've created it with my email. Now go ahead and provide them with your email and then go ahead and provide them with your password. You can even check in the box of remember me if you want to get yourself remembered and log in without typing your credentials, or you do not know password, then you can even tap on forgot password and then you can tap on login. And then there you go, you have already logged into your Wendy's account. That's how we do it. Now you can enjoy all the facilities of that application. So I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.